Okay, hello, I'm Gukyeolmi. Today I'd like to present a project to work on. The theme of this project is YouTube comment sentiment analysis. The goal of this project is to develop a model that outperforms the baseline on the YouTube comments dataset. So the fine-tuned dataset I used is the YouTube comment dataset, which has the data distribution shown in this figure. And the proposed baseline is a BERT-based model fine-tuned specifically on this dataset. To briefly describe the proposed baseline, the baseline model as illustrated in the red figure is built by adding a fully connected layer on top of the pre-trained BERT-based model. This combined model is fine-tuned specifically on the YouTube comments dataset. Therefore, the performance of the proposed baseline model is as shown in the right figures. Specifically, the baseline model achieved an accuracy of 84% for the macro average matrix. Precision, recall, and F1 score were 81%, 82%, and 81% respectively. For the weighted average matrix, the precision, recall, and F1 score were 87%, 84%, and 84% respectively. My model's performance was reasonably compared against the baseline in terms of accuracy, macro average, and weighted average metrics. My approach is very simple. I choose a strategy that increases the capability of the language model itself. Specifically, while the baseline BERT-based model has 110 million parameters, the language models I used have significantly larger capacities, each contain either 1 billion or 3 billion parameters. Then why did I choose to increase the capability of the language models for this task? According to the scalar, the performance of language model exists a power relationship with compute, dataset size, and model size. This means that increasing the number of parameters, trained data, and computation resource typically lead to predictable improvement in performance. Thus, adopting larger model aligns well with these keywords, which strongly support my decision to leverage more capable language models for this specific task. Now, this is my experiment setup. I primarily evaluate the model on the YouTube comment dataset, compare its performance with the given baseline. I utilize the Llama 3.2 models with 1 billion and 3 billion parameters respectively. For a fair and consistent comparison, the hyperparameter setting used for fine-tuning these models were identical to those of the baseline models. This table compares the performance of three models: the baseline provided in the project, the fine-tuned Llama 3.2 1 billion models, and the fine-tuned Llama 3.2 3 billion models. As shown in the result, my models outperform the baseline. Specifically, the YouTube comment dataset is class imbalanced. On this dataset, my model classifies more effectively compared to the baseline. The rationale is that large language model generally possess stronger contextual understanding and richer semantic representation, enabling them to capture more nuanced information in complex text data, such as YouTube comments. This increased capacity allows models to better run diverse patterns, handle linguistic variability, and achieve improved classification performance compared to smaller models like the Bayes and BERT-based. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.